So one of the raw materials which is found and used in the Philippines is the cattails. So what are cattails? Cattails or Typha domingensis are a type of aquatic plant that grows approximately 5 to 10 feet tall. These plants have long, slender branchless and upward growing leaves and a distinguishable brown cylindrical flowering head at their apex. So yung ang itsura po ng cattails ay makikita natin dito sa slide as being shown. Ganyan po yung cattails. So, cattails ay may mga local names din. Like, in Bontoc, they call it anibong. In Tagalog, they call it balanggot. In Bisaya, they call it lampakanay. So, let's move on to the origin of cattails. So, cattails comprises 15 species, most of which are widely distributed throughout the temperate, subtropical, and tropical zones of both hemispheres. They are widespread in the Philippines, Taiwan, Japan, New Guinea, and Australia. This plant is locally very abundant in low wet places and shallow stagnant fresh water. It is widely distributed in the Philippines. Broadleaf and southern cattails are considered to be native to North America. So originally, nanggaling daw ang cattails in North America and then nag-widespread lang siya into some Asian and Western countries also na wet places. So, let's move on naman sa uses. So, almost every part of the plant are useful. So, the seed fluff is used like a cotton balls to staunch a wound. The leaves also of the cattail can be woven together to make temporary shelters, mats, chairs, baskets, and hats. So, mamaya makikita natin dun sa pictures. And the dried stalks can be used as arrow shafts or hand drills. Yung hand drills yung maybe noon nung kapag gagawa sila ng apoy, yun ginagamit nila yung dried stalks ng cattails to start a fire. And then, cattails are also a culinary delicacy and all parts of the plant can be eaten. So, nakakain din pala itong cattails na ito. The sweet fiber in cattail roots provides an abundance of starchy carbohydrates. The new stalk shoots can be eaten to obtain vitamins A, B, and C, potassium, and phosphorus. And the seeds can be ground and used as a flour substitute. The roots and stalks can be baked, boiled, or fried. Cattails can be used in recipes for pancakes and breads, casseroles, and stir fry. So, very useful pala yung every part of this cattail plant. So, these are the pictures of the different products na nagawa from cattail. So, in the first picture, makikita natin yan yung olden vest na woven. It is made up from the leaf of the cattail. And then, the next picture is the woven mat. It is made from the dried leaves of the cattail also. Next, ito po yung arrow shaft. Yung shaft ng arrow na yan is made up from the dried stalks of the cattail. The hat is also woven from the dried leaves of the cattail. The next one is the fiber of the cattail, which is woven at ginawa po nilang table and chairs. And then the last one is the basket. It is made from the dried leaf of the cattail. So, that's the end po. Thank you for listening.